Alright guys, tell me that doesn't look awesome. They are some hunter's sausage. That's what we're making, so let's go. Alright, so you're going to need some pork shoulder. Try and find something that's got a decent amount of marbling in. You're looking for about 70-30 fat to lean. If it's not got that much in it, add some pork back fat in. Get that all diced up into grinder friendly pieces like so. Then we're going to add our spice mixture. That's going to be in the description for the full ingredients, but get all that tipped in. Get it all mixed up like that. And then look at that. Beautiful. So we're going to get that ground up. So get that through the grinder on the coarse die first, about 50% of the meat, and then the second 50% we're going to put through on the small die. So we're going to get a variation in texture. It's going to work really well in the sausage, get a really good bind on that. Make sure you get it all mixed up. When it's looking something like this, then we're going to oil our horn, get it in there so we don't break a casing. Then we're going to case the sausages like so. I'm using hog casing, but you can use whatever you want. Sheep casing if you want a smaller sausage. So we're going to get it in some smoke. I'm on the Masterbuilt today at about 82 degrees C. So bringing it up to temperature till it's cooked nice and slowly to get some good smoke on there. Once it's all cooked and we're at temperature, we're going to whack it in an ice bath. So that shocks the casing, so we get a nice snap on that. And then look at that finished product, get our slice through there so we get that good cross section. We've got smoke all the way through, perfectly cooked, still nice and juicy on the inside. We're looking real good. That is what the finished product looks like. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share it, like it, jobs are good in.